Hello everyone, welcome to Embedded Visions Technologies. Let's have a brief introduction of what we do. Corporate training program, electronics store, industrial training, product development in embedded system. Today we're introducing our latest creation, Advanced IoT and Application Development Kit. Our development kit is designed to empower creators like you. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. First up, we have the Raspberry Pi, a powerful microcontroller known for its versatility and ease of use. Whether you're building a home automation system or experimenting with AI, the Raspberry Pi has you covered. Next, we have the ESP32, a game changer in the world of IoT. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, the ESP32 allows you to connect your projects to the internet and create smart devices that communicate seamlessly. And last but not least, we have the STM32, a powerhouse microcontroller known for its performance and reliability. Whether you're developing embedded systems or real-time applications, the STM32 is the perfect choice. But wait, there's more. Our kit also comes with lots of cool sensors and things that can detect stuff like temperature or movement, and actuators that can make things move. We also provide more services like: first, we provide a Java SDK application supporting MQTT and BLIL components. Easily build sample IoT applications to control bulbs, display temperature data, detect motion, and even set up an alarm with a slider. Second, we offer a free Android SDK for controlling devices. Use your smartphone to wirelessly turn bulbs on or off. And here's the best part, we're not just giving you the hardware. We're also providing a user manual with step-by-step guides and the source code for all interfaces. Plus, we offer online support to help you out whenever you need it. Whether you're stuck on a project or just looking for inspiration, you can contact us. Thank you for watching.